Hey, hi guys. So this is from 5 chapter 9, Earth as Sphere. The first thing you need to keep in mind is these four directions: north, south, east, and west. So in simpler terms, it means on top, below, right hand side, left hand side. So north, south, east, and west. Okay, so maybe before you answer the question, you need to draw this out to avoid confusion or careless mistakes. So, okay, in the question, the first word you will see is due. Okay, due west, what does it mean? It means towards west. Usually they will show you due. They wouldn't show you this towards because towards is everyone can understand. Maybe due, not everyone can understand. But basically it means the same. Due means towards, so due west. Let me give you some examples. Point A is due west of B. So you know that due means towards. So point A is towards west of B. So what does it mean? Okay, let's start from the behind. B. B is here at the center. Where's the west of B? The west of B is here. And then it says that at the west of B is point A. So at the left hand side or the west of B is point A. Okay. Second example, point B is due west of A. So when you see this question, you read from the behind. So point A, you imagine is a center, point A. At point A, the west side of point A is here. So the question says that point B is towards the west of A. So B towards the west of A is point B. Okay. Then the third example, point A is due north of B. So means that B on the north side of B is point A. So point B in the center towards the north of B is point A. Okay, there's a reason why I put one synonym only. Like due means towards. I don't put due. Actually, due doesn't mean at or on that position. Because let me give you an example. Due means towards. Why? Because this statement, the plane flies due north of B. It means the plane flies towards the north of B. So B is here, the plane flies towards the north of B. And if you know where A is, then you know, oh, the plane flew from point B to point A. So in conclusion, when you see this point is due west of B, you just read from behind. So the west side of B is point A. Next, you need to learn about longitude and latitude. So longitude, actually, for me, I think how to differentiate these both is, you see, when you draw from the top to the bottom, it seems longer for me. And when you draw latitude, it's from left to right. It seems shorter. Actually, you just, learn it by heart. Okay, so for longitude, okay, both of these are the angle. Both of these are considered the angle. Okay, so from how do you know the angle of longitude? First of all, you need to know the origin of the longitude. Where's the origin of the longitude? So it's the Greenwich meridian. So whenever you count the angle for longitude, you count from this Greenwich meridian. So this line is the Greenwich meridian. So when they give you this point, they ask what is the longitude of this point. So from this line, you draw a line, then connect to this line. So then you will get, oh, this is 20 degrees. Usually they will give 20 degrees. And then how do you know? Okay, then you say 20 degrees, but then that's not enough. You need to say the direction. So it's 20 east. Why 20 east? Because Greenwich Meridian, the angle you count, the point is on the right side of the Greenwich Meridian. So is right side is east. If the question draws a line on the left side of Greenwich Meridian, then the direction you need to add west behind. Okay, for this case is 20 east. Okay, so for latitude, okay, for longitude, there's only two directions. It's either left or right. You don't write left or right. You write west or east. And okay, now we will discuss about latitude. Latitude, we will talk about top and bottom, north and south only. Okay, so if they, okay, before you find the latitude, you will need to know where is the starting line of, where's the starting line that determines the angle. So you start from this origin, this equator. Just now longitude, you count from Greenwich Meridian. For latitude, you count from equator. Always remember from the equator. So they will tell you which one is equator. So usually it's on the center middle line. Okay. So for this point, they'll ask you what is the latitude. So you count from this equator line, you count up. Okay, before you count up, you need to draw a line. Or usually the question will draw for you. Then you count how much is this angle. Then the statement gives you that, oh, this is 20 degrees. So you put 20 degrees. And then you need to remember the direction. North means is on top of equator, so 20 north. And for this case, this point is below the equator, so it's south, then the angle given is 30. Okay, like some of the questions they want to trick you. They give you this angle, 70 degree only. Then they didn't give you this 20. So many students mistaken it by putting 70 degree north. Why wrong? Because you didn't count from the equator. Instead, you count from other lines. So you must always count from equator. How do I know it's 20 degrees? Because for equator, the maximum, the highest point on the north side is called the North Pole. Is at here is 90 degree north. So there's no like 91 degree north. Maximum is 90 degree. So the angle given here is 70. You know that, oh, that's 90 minus 90 minus 70 is 20. So left 20. Yeah, okay. Next, location. For the location, example, this is point A. You must always start with latitude, north, south. You need to say is top or bottom first, then only you say left or right. So north, south, then only you write angle for the east, west. Okay, you write latitude first, then only longitude. It's like writing the coordinate. So, okay, this angle, I drew it for in case I want to refer. So let's start. The location of point A. Point A, what's the latitude? Latitude come from the equator, 0 degrees, right? Equator, then it's 45 degree north. Then is, then what's the longitude? See from the Greenwich Meridian,